Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Viber account permanently. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Viber on your mobile device and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on More, which is typically represented by 3 dots or a similar icon. This will open up additional menu options that give you access to various features and settings within the app. Once you tap on More, you'll see a list of different options appear. From this menu, look for and tap on Settings. This is where all your account preferences and configurations are stored, and it's your gateway to managing everything from notifications to privacy controls. Tapping Settings will take you to a new screen with various customization options. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll need to locate the Account section. This area specifically deals with your account information, security settings, and account management options. Go ahead and tap on Account to proceed. This section is important because it contains all the critical functions related to your Viber profile and account status. Here's where the actual deletion process begins. Inside the Account section, you'll see an option labeled Deactivate Account. Tap on this option to start the process of permanently removing your Viber account. This action is significant because deactivating your account will remove all your messages, contacts, and data associated with your Viber profile, so make sure you're certain about this decision before proceeding. After tapping Deactivate Account, Viber will ask you to verify your identity to ensure that you're the actual account owner. You'll see a drop-down menu appear on your screen. Click on this drop-down and select your country from the list. This is necessary because Viber needs to match your phone number with the correct country code to verify your account properly. Next, you'll need to input your phone number in the field provided. Make sure you enter the same phone number that's currently associated with your Viber account. This verification step is crucial because it prevents unauthorized users from deactivating your account without your permission. Double-check that you've entered the correct number to avoid any issues. Once you've entered your phone number, tap the Deactivate Account button one final time to confirm your decision. Viber will process your request and permanently deactivate your account. This means all your data will be removed from their servers and you won't be able to recover your messages or contacts later. And that's it. Your Viber account has been successfully deactivated and all associated data has been removed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.